the majority of community banks don't have a unified digital banking experience. Normally, you have a digital banking experience that is provided most probably by your core provider. And that digital banking only has a very narrow set of functionality and systems of your digital banking experience. Nowadays, you actually have a lot of additional infrastructure and products and features that you could add to your digital banking that is regularly not available for the typical community bank. The typical community bank has from a handful banking systems to 20 plus banking systems. It's interesting because the industry calls digital banking a very narrow vision of digital banking. It's normally about logging in, checking your accounts, seeing your transactions, maybe money movement, and that's a narrow vision of digital banking. But if you flip it and you see it from the customer perspective, there are, again, tens or 20 plus systems that actually compose digital banking, things like account opening, what we call digital banking, payments, debit cards and credit cards, virtual cards, spend management, treasury management. All of those elements are part of digital banking if you see it from the customer perspective. So the difficulty for a customer, if you have a disparate set of systems, is that they will have to access 3, 4, 5 systems, and that creates a poor customer experience. In the physical world, in order to create a relationship, it's about continuous positive interactions with that person. The same applies online. The more that person interacts with your platform for different systems, for opening an account, for checking every day their accounts, for applying for a loan, for checking their balances on their credit cards, paying their credit cards, the more positive and constant is that interaction, the stronger the relationship on the digital side with your bank is going to be from the customer perspective. From the banker's perspective, it's also about efficiency and simplification. If you have 20 plus disparate systems, the banker on the other side is actually, they need to go to different systems that most of the time are disconnected. So it is inefficient to make better decisions. They have some information about the business on one system, some information about their transactions on another system, some information about external transactions on paper. It makes it hard for the banker to make decisions. So the better you structure, connect that data with an integrated platform, the easier and faster it is for the banker to make decisions, both for the benefit of the bank, but also for the benefit of the customer. The board and management should ask themselves when doing one of these projects, a couple of questions. One of them is this a platform that is locking me in to certain type of vendors, or can actually expand to the vendors that I use, the vendors that I want? Are they adding new vendors and integrations? That would be one of the questions that I would ask. The other question is this platform a platform that is evolving? What is the feature set that they currently have? Where are they going? What is their roadmap? Can they show me that roadmap? Have they delivered on that vision? Is that a vision that aligns to the values and the benefit of the bank and our customers? The other question that I would ask is, what happens with the data? Now that we've integrated different data and we've provided a unified customer experience, I have access as a bank to that data? We're talking about, yes, the transactional data, but also the analytics of how the user consumes and uses the digital banking product. We're talking about external accounts, like accounting information, different type of information that would be now available for the bank, both for the benefit of the bank and the benefit of the customers.